Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple and smart Wi-Fi-based weather station using the ESP32 and a DHT11 sensor. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tech tutorials. For this project, we'll need an ESP32 development board. You can also use an ESP8266. I'll provide the code for both, a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, a breadboard, and a few jumper wires or connectors. Once you've gathered the components, place the ESP32 on the breadboard. Then, insert the DHT11 sensor beside it. Now let's do the wiring. Connect the 3.3 volt pin of the ESP32 to the VCC pin of the DHT11 sensor. Then, connect the ground pin of the ESP32 to the ground of the sensor. Finally, connect GPIO pin 4 on the ESP32 to the data pin of the DHT11. That's it for the hardware setup. Next, connect your ESP32 to your computer using a USB cable. Now let's move on to the coding part. I've already written the code for this project and shared versions for both ESP32 and ESP8266. The download link for the code is provided in the description. First, we include the necessary libraries. Wi-Fi.h helps us create an access point, Webserver.h is used to handle our web page, and DHT.h lets us communicate with the DHT11 sensor. You can install the DHT11 library from the Arduino Library Manager. Here, we define the pin number where the DHT11 sensor is connected. In this case, GPIO pin 4. We also specify the sensor type as DHT11. This is the Wi-Fi name and password of the ESP32's access point. When the ESP32 boots, it will broadcast this network. This function creates the entire HTML page that displays the temperature, humidity, and a comment based on the weather. This function is triggered when someone opens the ESP32's IP address in a browser. It reads data from the sensor, checks if the reading is valid, and then sends the web page to the client. In the setup function, we start the serial monitor, initialize the DHT sensor, and start the Wi-Fi in access point mode. Then we launch the web server. And in the loop, we keep listening for any incoming web page requests from connected devices. Select board ESP32. Then select the appropriate port and hit upload. Once the code is uploaded, turn on Wi-Fi on your smartphone. You'll notice a new Wi-Fi network appear. This is being broadcast by the ESP32. Connect to it using the password you set in the code. Then, open a browser and go to the IP address 192.168.4.1. You'll instantly see a clean, user-friendly web page showing real-time temperature and humidity readings, along with a weather comment based on the temperature. Keep in mind, this weather station shows data based on the immediate surroundings of the sensor, so it's great for indoor monitoring or placing in a specific environment you want to observe. Thanks a lot for watching the full video.